Welcome to 1200 South Chase Street, a mid-century modern home, emphasis on the modern, with lots of off-street parking, RV parking, and so many new things and modern amenities, including that huge egress window into the fourth bedroom, which is downstairs. It's a sturdy brick home with the charm of mid-century, yet the open concept floor plan that people love. Look at that corner fireplace, oak floors. And this open, yet still charming, vintage, mid-century kitchen, which has the LVP, original cabinetry, a brand new never used glass cooktop, stainless appliances, including a double oven, and a really nice Bosch dishwasher. Over that way, there's a coat closet, 2 bedrooms. The kitchen has a view of the sunroom as well as the huge 0.43 acre backyard that boasts a fruit tree, 2 sheds, and tons of space on which you could build a shop. This is the sunroom. Also has garage access. Here we have a 2-car garage, oversized. There's a water softener in here. But this garage also has a shop. So if you don't decide to build a shop in the back, here it is. Attic space above with a pull-down stairway. And here we have 2 spacious bedrooms with the built-ins, huge closet, and in between these 2 bedrooms, this one has corner windows, built-ins. Sits a bathroom with a double vanity. So one could choose one of those rooms for a master or use the ensuite downstairs. This tile work is all brand new. Downstairs is really impressive. Bright daylight walkout. Suite. That just goes on and on. Boasting this private garden as well as a fireplace. I just want to cozy up in front of that, or have a morning beverage out here. Say good morning, world. Again, tile floor, double vanity. So many new amenities, including this jetted spa tub, rain head shower, new LVP floors, there's a pantry type closet to the left and a bathroom laundry room combo. That's and a ton of storage. This is the 4th bedroom with huge egress window. And a cool little built-in desk area and closet. New roof, full replacement was in 2016. New HVAC, new water heater, many new floors. There is an awful lot to love about this unique and really charming, renewed, remodeled mid-century modern home. I hope you like the tour.